Hello class 1. Welcome to your English literature class, children. In the previous class we have completed the chapter, that is the kite and the kitten, isn't it? Chapter number 10, and the explanation is done, and then I have sent the question answers also for you. So you will go through the question answer. I have given few extra question answers also. So please write it down in your CW copy, and then you have to send it for correction. Right. So today we will do page number 89. So open your book at page number 89. This is our English literature class, and today we will do page number 89. Okay, this is word wall. We will do this word wall. So in this page, what I will do is, first of all, children, you take out your pencil so that you can write down the answers right now. So question answers I have given you. Now I will do page number 89 of the book, and this is what I said. We will do word wall. So here you can see few pictures. Four pictures are given. Four pictures are given here, right? So what we have to do, we have to unscramble the words given. Here, see, look at the pictures and unscramble the words given below. See, below the picture you can see number A, RWELOF. By looking at the picture you have to think, and then you have to write the correct word. For this you have to rearrange the letters. What you have to do, you have to rearrange the letter and write the name of that object given in the picture. The first one what we can see here is picture of flowers, right? Three flowers we can see here. So let us see what can be made. So RWELOF. So as we can see the picture of a flower here. So let us write down the spelling of flower correctly using the letters given here. So what we can write is FLOWER, flower. Okay, so here you write down FLOWER, flower. Right? Number A done. Now we'll see number B. Next to it is number B, that is, we can see the picture here, green in color, and the letters given here are TPALN. So relate this with the picture that you can see. So let us see. Can we make it plant? PLANT, plant, right. So write down PLANT. Rearranging the letters, we have written plant. We have arranged them. We have unscrambled the letters given, and the correct word here is plant. PLANT. Plant, right? Done. Now we will move to the next picture. Here we can see the picture of a very big house. Okay. Now LAPACE. Okay. What is the word that you can make out using the letters, rearranging the letters? So we can see palace. Palace is a big house where king or a queen live, isn't it? So palace, 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 palace. Write down PALACE, palace. Done. Now see the next picture. The next picture is we can see something flying, right? So, and the letters given here is DIRB, DIRB. Now what we have to do, we have to unscramble it to make out a meaningful word. So by looking at the picture, let us try to make it bird. Can you make it? Say yes, we can. BIRD, bird. We can see the picture of a bird here, and the letter we'll rearrange here like B. At first we'll write, begin the letter with B. So BIRD, bird. Done. So here we have completed this. You can see here the first word is flower, number B is plant, number C is palace, and number D is bird. Okay, this way we have unscrambled the letters given here, and we have written this words, meaningful words, by looking at the pictures given in the page. Right. So this way we have completed this page word wall. In this chapter we'll will not need anything else to do. This grammar time is on inside, outside and under. This thing I think you will get in your language classes also. You can do that in the language class. So we have completed this chapter. For this chapter we will do this much only. And this picture I'll send you the picture of this page, that is page number 89. We have discussed also, and again I'm sending it through telegram. Please see it and write the letters words properly in your CW copy before you send it for correction. This way we have completed few chapters, I think. Let us see what is the next chapter, that is Goldilocks and the three bears. Yes, we can start with this chapter in the next class. So whatever we have done today, that is page number 89, you write it down in your book itself. Okay, thank you.